Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to download Westpac application on your mobile device. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. To download Westpac application on your mobile device, first of all, open your App Store or your Google Play Store. Go to the search box at the top of the screen and type in Westpac and search. Once you see this Westpac Banking Corporation application, simply tap on the Get button to start downloading the app on your device. Westpac is a mobile banking application offered by Westpac Banking Corporation. It is one of the major banks in Australia. The app allows its customers to manage their account, transfer money, pay bills, view transaction history, locate ATMs nearby, and much more. Simply wait until the application is downloaded and installed on your mobile device. To get the application downloaded faster, you will need a stable internet connection. Once the application is downloaded, tap on the Open button to launch Open Westpac application on your mobile device. So that is how you will be able to download and install Westpac app on your preferred device. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.